The Shift4 Dine Customer Hub allows you to easily customize your gift cards using the card designer. Let's take a look at how it works. Once you've logged into Customer Hub, select Gift Cards from the left-hand navigation menu. Then go to Shift4 Gift Cards. This should redirect you to the main gift card editing page. From here, you should see two options for gift card editing. They are e-gift cards and physical gift cards. The card designer works the same for both. It just depends on what type of gift card you want to design. For our example, we'll be using the card designer for e-gift cards. To start the process, tap or click Choose Card Design. From there, a pop-up window will appear, and you'll be presented with two options: design your own card and select from a design library. Selecting from the design library does not allow for any customization on the card designs. So let's select the Design Your Own Card option. As you can see, the designer offers a host of options that can be customized. Let's start by naming our design. We'll call it Gift Card Design 1. Next, we'll choose the background. You'll be presented with a variety of background options to choose from. You can even use the search bar at the top to find a specific design you may have in mind. Let's search for the teal holiday design in this example. As you can see, once you select the background, it will now appear on the card designer pop-up screen. Now let's add some text to our design. Here you'll be able to add whatever text you'd like to display on the gift cards. For our example, we'll type the name of our shop and then tap Text. The text should now appear on the card designer pop-up window. Let's edit what we typed by clicking on the text. The designer window will now display a variety of options to customize your text. These options will allow you to change the text color, either through the color picker or by entering a hex value. Change the font size. Edit the text. Change the font itself. Adjust the text to be bold, italic, or underline. Edit text alignment. Select Text Transform to set the text as either all lowercase or all uppercase. Curve the text. Select Transform, which allows rotating the text up to 360 degrees. Choose from preset positions. Move the text layer up or down, or reset the design. You'll also notice that there are various icons around the text that will allow you to copy, rotate, expand, and even discard the text. Under Images, you can import a custom picture that you'd like to appear on the gift card. Finally, the Layer option allows you to control how the text and pictures are arranged on the design. Once you're satisfied with the design, tap Save. This will redirect you to the final pop-up screen that confirms the design. You can confirm that the design was saved correctly, since it will now appear on the gift card editing page.